Welcome to the Emerald European project. In this video you can watch a brief overview of the project, which is focused on developing an automated certification process for providers and auditors of cloud service applications. Emerald started in November 2023 and has a duration of 3 years. The consortium consists of 11 partners from 6 European countries and is coordinated by Technalia. Emerald will develop a new framework for an agile certification process to enhance the security and efficiency of cloud-based services. To this aim, the findings of the Horizon 2020 Medina project will be leveraged from TRL of 5 to TRL 7. The focus will be on evidence management components that will be exploited for developing a continuous certification approach. Emerald will also provide a proof of concept for mapping the findings to future AI certification schemes. The overall objective of Emerald is to pave the road for an efficient certification as a service that verifies compliance with the security requirements of cloud services and applications, based on certification schemes as the EUCS, Cybersecurity Certification Scheme for Cloud Services. Emerald will significantly decrease the time needed to recertify cloud-based services and to facilitate the integration of new services. The target users of Emerald are all the stakeholder groups of the cybersecurity domain. For cloud service providers and cloud customers, Emerald will offer a framework to set up, manage and monitor their certifications and enable lean recertification. For auditors, Emerald will provide an audit assistance framework to address audits in a uniform manner and reduce complexity by customizing the audit process. Lastly, Emerald will provide cybersecurity and standardization agencies with novel strategies and methods for building interoperable cybersecurity requirements and metrics. The work in Emerald has been split into 7 work packages. WP1 is focused on building the concept and methodology for the final product. WP2 develops the basis for evidence extraction. WP3 sets up tools for evidence assessment and certification. WP4 develops the concept and implementation of the Emerald user interface. WP5 provides adequate test pilots for the Emerald audit suite. WP6 is in charge of the dissemination and exploitation of the results. Finally, WP7 handles the project coordination and management. The Emerald approach can be summarized in the following steps. 1. Different controls from one or more certification schemes can be selected. 2. An intelligent system selects an optimized set of metrics that can be measured to demonstrate compliance with the controls. 3. Several components continuously extract knowledge on various layers of the cloud service and prepare suitable evidence based on them. 4. A graph-based structure consolidates all necessary information uniformly. 5. Finally, the audit suite assesses and evaluates chosen metrics based on information provided by the certification graph during the whole lifecycle of the cloud service. The Emerald overall objective can be broken down into 6 specific objectives. For each of them, measurable outcomes have been defined. The first objective is to provide next-generation evidence-gathering tools based on a knowledge graph approach and is supported by 2 key results. Extract, a framework to continuously extract knowledge on various layers of the cloud service and prepare suitable evidence based on them. Cert graph, a graph-based structure that consolidates heterogeneous information extracted from different evidence sources. The second objective is to reduce complexity in multi-scheme cloud certifications by assisted metric mapping, and is supported by 3 key results. Optima, an intelligent system to select an optimized set of metrics that can be measured to demonstrate compliance to the selected certification scheme. Multi-cert, a tool to assess chosen metrics based on information stored in the certification graph to evaluate the final certificate decision. APOC, a proof of concept on how to scale the CAAS approach to cloud-based AI systems. The third objective is to provide a seamless user experience of continuous auditing for auditors and auditees, and will be supported by 1 key result. Emerald UI/UX, a user interaction concept, and conducted studies to show what information each user needs in an audit process. The fourth objective is to provide interoperability and will be supported by 1 key result. Interop. Emerald will provide an interoperability layer among the trustworthy systems, assessment results, and catalog data. Standardized formats such as OSCAL will be used to mitigate the impact of changes in the security schemes. The fifth objective is to validate the project outcomes in industrial pilots and will be supported by one key result. Pilots. Realistic use cases will validate the Emerald framework and fine-tune the framework components. Two main categories of pilots will be developed. Category 1, Certification of Public Cloud Services, includes 3 pilots on the level of cloud services for IaaS. Category 2, Certification of Hybrid Cloud Edge Environments for the financial sector, aims at the certification of hybrid cloud edge environments for the financial sector. The sixth objective is to disseminate the project results and will be supported by one key result. DECUS. The project results will be disseminated in relevant conferences. Furthermore, project findings will be discussed with standardization bodies. The Emerald framework is structured in several cores. Emerald Cores manages heterogeneity and provides a level of abstraction for the other core blocks, namely, Evidence Management Core, where a certification graph abstracts security assessment evidence from components and makes the management and reuse of collected and pre-processed evidence feasible. Compliance Core, which deals with the assessment and evaluation of the selected metrics and includes the orchestrator and trustworthiness system. Standards and Data Core, which deals with the integration of the security schemes and metrics supported by the repository of controls and metrics, and provides assistance and optimization for metric mapping. Finally, the Emerald GUI block brings together the whole functionality of Emerald and is the main access point for our target users. In a nutshell, Emerald will enhance the user experience of continuous auditing for auditors and auditees through a certification as a service process, supported by user-tailored tools for complexity reduction in multi-scheme cloud certifications, including next-generation evidence gathering tools based on a knowledge graph approach and assisted metric mapping tools. More information about the project objectives and results can be found on the Emerald website and on our social network profiles on X and LinkedIn.